Good morning, guys. I just got out of a shower. It is Thursday, the 24th of January, and I'm ready for breakfast. I normally don't have breakfast. I don't crave breakfast. I'm not hungry the first thing in the morning. I'm not hungry right now, but you know, I just feel like breakfast. I just feel like something to eat, and like maybe a cappuccino or a latte. So I'm gonna finish up packing, put in my contacts because I can't see shit, and then head to breakfast.
Going down.
I'm so tired.
Going down.
Good morning. How are you? Fine, thank you. Ja, bin ja jetzt vom Jahr. Huh?
Please press the button for the desired floor.
Taking a little break. I can't show you guys anything, but we're still on stage and having some lunch. How good does this look? I tied my hair up. It's quite windy, but we just finished day 2 of the shoot and so excited to be heading home. It's a little bit chilly, so I have a polo neck on, but I have all of my things packed, so let's head back home. Ew, it's quite cold. Yeah. I'm not gonna. We are with Lolly's on the phone. She's busy talking to her friend. Sorry. It's okay, girl. You do your WhatsApp call. We are on our way to Cape Town International Airport. Finished the shoot, everything, and it's such a day. It's like 7:45, and our flight is only at 10. So we're going to be at the airport for a little while before our flight. I'm trying to like take these nails off because they are hooking on everything. But yeah, I'll chat to you guys in a sec. Let me have Miss Lally finish her call.
For the next 15 minutes. Thank you again for the Pacific Trail Pleasant Flight.
Thanks, F&B. The slow lounge closes at 8:30. Like what? What? Feels like I haven't vlogged in ages, but I actually haven't vlogged for like a week. So it is Thursday today and it is the last day of January. It's the 31st of January and you guys last saw me, I think, the 24th. So it's been like literally a week since I vlogged, and I last left you guys with that little pretty montage of Joburg as I was landing home from Cape Town. So basically we landed like just after 12. I think it was like 12:30 that we landed, and then we had like a 45-minute to an hour drive home. So I only got home at like 1:15 in the morning, so I crashed. The next morning I slept, I think it was Friday, I slept most of the day, did some cleaning and some laundry, unpacked my luggage, and just chilled over the weekend. Had the most relaxing weekend. Monday came, I felt a little bit sick. I always feel sick after Cape Town, and especially the 2 days that we spent in Cape Town. The hotels are air conditioned and I never turned the air conditioning off, so I was sleeping in an air conditioned room, and I had a little bit of a sore throat. But anyway, yeah, it's Thursday today. I wanted to finish this vlog because number one, the footage wasn't enough. I don't feel happy with uploading like a 5 or 6 minute vlog of basically doing nothing. So I wanted to just bring you guys along my day today and maybe show you some packages. I wanted to show you some earrings that I got. So I got these cute little earrings. Let me show you. They are like, these ones are clip-ons, and then these ones are just like normal little hoops. So I'm gonna put these on now, and then I have a different video to finish. So I'm gonna put these ones on now. They are just like clip-ins like that, and then the other side, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know if these are too grandma-ish. I don't know, you guys should let me know in the comments. But this is basically the earrings. I don't know, I think they're quite cute. I'll wear the hoops some other time. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave you guys for a few minutes. I think I need to go make soup, and then I'm gonna take my soup and finish my video. So I didn't finish the last bit of my what I eat in a week because somehow I lost the footage. I don't know, I'll explain it in that video and link it down below for you guys. It's already up, you can go watch it. And yeah, I'm gonna have my soup and then film the finished part of that, the outro of that video, and then I'll check in with you guys in like a second. So just finished filming the end of my video, and I'm gonna do this laundry. Gonna hang all of this up, and then I'll show you guys some packages that I got. You guys, I don't know what is going on with my hair. It's just not working with me. So I'm sitting on my floor in my beauty room, and I thought I would unbox some of these packages with you guys because I just put a movie on, a movie that I've watched like a bazillion times, but I wanted to edit this vlog while I watch that movie. I like to edit vlogs while I watch movies, so I'm going to do that. But I wanted to show you this these packages that I got. So I picked them up on Monday, and I wanted to show you this, I like to do like a PR unboxing video, but I thought for this one I might as well just show you in this vlog. So firstly, I got this one from Revlon. It is the color for 2019. So this coral color is apparently the color for 2019. I'm not sure who decides on that, but yeah, they sent over some corally things. So I had a quick peek at this. I actually did a live on Instagram to show you guys what I got. So if you saw this already, thanks for watching the vlog. That is basically the end of the vlog. So if you already saw all of this, thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Let me know in the comments that you watched my live. I would like to know that. So yeah, I got a couple of things from Revlon. First thing was this blush in shade 14, Tickled Pink. So the lighting's gonna change constantly because I'm gonna like show you guys things up close and come back. I don't know what the hell is going on with my hair. I also have this Kiss lip balm in peach. Ooh, that smells amazing. So that is what that little peachy lip kiss looks like. And then I also have a constantly coral color stay over time lippy. And then I have two of these Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Creams. These are my favorite lip products at the moment, you guys. The one I have on my lip in the beginning of the video was 505, which is this one. And then this one on the left is 500. So that is what those little lippies look like. And then I'm not sure what this shade is, but it's the Revlon Ultra HD Matte lip color. I actually want to put some of this on. I really like this. I'm filming on a different setting, so I don't know if this footage is going to be that great. And then we've got one last lipstick, Dare to Be Nude. I actually want to open this and see what. Ooh, I love this. Look how pretty. That is a really pretty color. Please excuse my ratchet nails. I'm gonna go do them tomorrow. Let me just put you up a little bit because I feel like I'm slouching. I got a skincare delivery from Skin, sk.in, and they sent me an email and they were like, we really want to send you some products over. This is a medical grade skincare line, so it's quite expensive, so I'm obviously so excited to be trying these. I do believe in drugstore skincare. I do believe in affordable skincare. Some of my favorite skincare products are affordable, so yeah, I just wanted to show you this to you guys. So my main skincare concerns were hyperpigmentation, so I have like little freckles and like some sunspots on my face, and then I also have an issue with some blackheads and like roughness around my nose. So they basically sent me, that's the company name if you guys are like curious to know. So I'm going to show you the three products that they sent me. I got a radiant shot, a medi shot, and a repair shot. So that is that. I'm not going to try these at the very moment because I'm using a different skincare range at the moment, and I just want to use that to see how that works. But yeah, that is basically what I got from Skin. So thank you, Skin. That was really generous of them. And then you guys know I have so many Daniel Wellington watches. So fortunate to get so many of these watches. So they asked me if I wanted to receive a Valentine's box, and I mean, I'm obviously not going to say no. So yeah, thank you to Daniel Wellington as well. So all of my Daniel Wellington watches are 32mm if you guys are curious. And then I got Brain a bigger one, which is a 40mm, and then this one is 28. So I'm really excited about this one. I got, oopsie. So it just says, time to say I love you. I don't know if you guys can see it like that. And then I'm really excited about this. Ooh, this is beautiful. How beautiful is this wristband? Is it focusing? I think so. How beautiful is that, you guys? Oh wow, I just need to bend it a little bit. It feels a little bit big. And then I got this watch. So this is the watch that I got, and it also comes with a little heart charm that you put like over here. It's focusing on my face. So you put the heart charm in the hole. I actually have a different watch that has a heart charm on it, but I don't know how I'm going to show you the heart charm, but that is the heart charm that you see in the middle right there. So yeah, thank you Dan Wellington, and they were also so kind enough to send me a plain gold strap. So the last thing that I have is actually such a weird delivery. I have never received alcohol. I don't even drink that much, but they emailed me and they were like, we saw that you really like gin and tonic, so we would like you to try our gin and tonics. I was just like, that's really random, but okay, let me just try it. I have nothing to lose. So they sent me this over here, and that is the package. So it actually comes with like infusions where you can like infuse your own gin and tonic, and then it came with these glasses. So it's called Hamilton's gin and tonic. I don't know, have you guys tried these? They come in pink and normal tonic. So that is that. I actually really want to try one, but it's not cold, so I think I'm gonna wait for over the weekend so that I can try this. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed following me along back home from Cape Town. And I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow for like the weekend. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see more vlogs. Leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite part of this vlog was, or if you saw something funny or something that, I don't know, I just really like responding to your guys' comments. So I will see you in the comment section and then in my next video.